In this session, you are going to learn about trees concept in data structure. Okay, before going into the trees concept, know about what is data structure and why we are using data structure. Okay, see, data structure is used to store a data. Okay, in such a format, such a storage formats are there. Okay, when taking in data structure, there are two types. One is linear data structure and another one is non-linear data structure. Okay, what is linear data structure? Linear data structure means such a sequential manner. Data are stored in a sequential manner. Here, when taking a non-linear data structure, data are stored in non-sequential manner. Non-sequential manner. Linear data structures are arrays, stack, queue, list. These are said to be a linear data structure. These are said to be a linear data structure. Data are stored in sequential manner in array, stack, queue and list. Okay. Then we go for a non-linear data structure. What are non-linear data structures? Graph and trees. Okay, graph and trees are said to be a non-linear data structure. Why we are going for non-linear data structure? Why we are going for non-linear data structure? Because when taking a linear data structure, there is a lot of wastage of memory. While we are taking a graph and tree, we can save the memory space. Okay, we can save the memory space. That's why we are using non-linear data structure to store data. Okay, just take this example: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, see. This is said to be a tree structure. Okay, this is said to be a tree structure. These are said to be a node. Okay, node. Node means what? Containing a data item. Node is a data item. Okay, node which contains data. Okay, see here. First, you have to know about what is height. What is height of the tree, and then what is depth of the tree, and then what is degree of an element, and how you can calculate the level, then path, length. Okay, see, this can be asked in mostly these can be asked in written exams, technical written exams which are conducted by government or Anna University. This is said to be a root element. First one, you have to know about what is root. Root is said to be a parent element. Okay, root is a parent element which does not have parent. Okay, then these are said to be a child elements of A. These are said to be a child element of A. Then what is sibling? Siblings means a node from the same parent are said to be in siblings. A node from the same parent is said to be in siblings. B, C, D, E are said to be in siblings because they are from A. Okay, they all came from A. So that's why we said B, C, D, E are siblings. Okay, then when taking an F and G, both are said to be a sibling because they both are came from same parent. Both nodes have same parent. Okay, then what is a leaf node? What is a leaf node. Leaf node means a node which does not have the child node is said to be a leaf node. Okay, go for an height, depth, degree, level, path, length. Okay. The height of the tree is always starts from to top. Okay, height of the tree 0. This is said to be in 0, and this level is said to be in 1, 2, 3. The height of the tree is 3. Height of the tree is what? 3. Then depth of the tree. Always height of the tree is equal to depth of the tree. But we can find the depth of the tree from the top level. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. But depth of the tree is equal to height of the tree. Okay. Then what? Then depth is okay. Level. How you can find out the level? Always starts from here. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a level of the tree. Level of the tree equal to what? 3. Okay. Then degree. How you can find the degree? Degree means what? A node contains how many child elements? Okay, how many child elements? When taking an E node, it has 2 child elements. That means the degree of the element E is 2. Okay, then for this element A, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children. So that means what? Degree of the element A is 4. Okay, then next, path. How you can find out the path? There will be only one path from a node to root node. Okay, you can take any node, but there will be only one path to reach the root node. Okay, then what is length? How you can find length means, if you want to find out length from A to L, means have to calculate the edges. How many edges are there? See, A to C, one edge, C to F, second edge, F to L, third edge. So that means what? There are the length of the tree A to L. The length from A to L is 3. Okay. That's all about the basics of tree concept.